Hey YouTube, how you guys doing? Check it out, just completed installing this matching tailgate mat. I didn't have to drill any holes on my tailgate. I actually use the existing screws, 4 of them. Those are existing. I just took it off the tailgate and and just put it on top of the tailgate mat. This is the matching Dee Zee mat. That's the Dee Zee bed mat. It's a matching one. If you want to, you could drill holes, but I just used the existing screws. But on this other side here, I just used two-sided industrial strength, two-sided tape from 3M. I just did 6 inches there, 6 inches there, and 6 inches on the right-hand side. I suppose you could use the entire, use a double-sided tape all the way across, but didn't do that because I think the existing screws will hold it in place and it's not really needed there. Anyway, I'll show you how. Hang tight. What I'll do is use this existing ones and do a double-sided tape on this end right here. Hang tight. Line up your tailgate mat, right? Just a hair from the edge. That's my alignment. Let me go ahead and make an impression. Hold this for me. And so I'll drill a hole. I'm gonna use the existing bolts right here. Let's make an impression.
There's your hole.
Make the impression, right? Right there. Poke it through. Make that impression.
Let me pre-drill the hole.
Take a look. Let's close it, make sure it shuts. And at the same time, I think I'm gonna use 2 more of them bolts, right? Probably lift this up and undo it and repeat the process. Let me see if it closes. I see it right here. Just gotta make a little clearance right there. Cut it up. Take a look. Did the cut up, right? And it should clear this. It's about yay. Just cut. Oh yeah. So 2 more in the center right here. And I think that's really it. And of course to do the double-sided on this side. I don't think it's necessary, but it'll keep it in place. Here we go. As I mentioned, just 6 inches right there, all the way to the other end. Zoom in. Yep. All right, let me go ahead and peel it off and stick it. We should be good. All peeled, ready to go. Take a look at that. Stuck in there proper. And this side, I could lift it up a little bit, but check it out. Right there, pretty tight. It's not gonna go anywhere. That's good. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell. Chat with you guys later. Bye for now. Here you go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And of course I cut the edge to clear this right here. That's the only modification I did. Excellent. Here we go. Nice. All right, it's a good thing.